Is your business getting lost in the Google search shuffle, overshadowed by competitors with glowing reviews? Don't worry, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your Google reviews and supercharge your online presence. And it all starts with actively asking your happy customers. Step 1. Make it easy for customers to leave reviews. Create a short, shareable link directly to your Google reviews page. You can find this link in your Google Business Profile dashboard. It's usually under the Get More Reviews section. Copy this link. Next, incorporate this link into your post-purchase communication. This could be a thank you email, a follow-up text message, or even on printed receipts. Something simple like "Loved your experience. Leave us a review here," followed by your link. Step 3. Don't be afraid to ask in person. Train your staff to politely request reviews from satisfied customers right after a positive interaction. As simple, "We're so glad you enjoyed your visit. Would you mind leaving us a quick review online?" can go a long way. Now, make it a routine. Set reminders for yourself and your team to consistently solicit reviews. The more reviews you get, the better your business will look to potential customers. And that's it. By actively soliciting reviews, you're directly impacting your Google ranking, building trust, and attracting more customers. So, get out there and start asking for those reviews. Remember, a great Google review score is more than just vanity. It's your online storefront, working 24/7 to bring in new business. Now go make it shine.